Just legging it up to get a quick coffee to start the day. Then I've got to edit the last 2 full days videos. I'm a little bit behind on editing. Then I'm going to collect. I got my Ray-Bans fixed. The 2 arms were chewed up by my dog, so I have to collect my Ray-Bans down in Greystones. I am potentially going for a swim at some stage. I have to put together a bed from IKEA for Alyssa's mum, and we are going to dinner later. First things first, I'm the realist. First things first. Sorry, second things second, because the first thing was the coffee. Now I'm going down to collect the sunglasses. Very well. Thanks to Ken. Absolutely delighted I am. Hey guys, you're here with Fix It Jack. No, I'm joking. That is actually not an accurate description of what happened at all. Ken down in the Greystones Eye Centre fixed the glasses for me. I just did that for the video. And it was worth it. Made a cool scene. Like new. In fairness to Rob and Claire, Claire is an absolute feeder, and they've invited me over for lunch again. I do eat a lot of food here. Woo-hoo-hoo! That is a day. I do eat a lot of food here. Here we are. Welcome to today's video. It's going well, lads. Think we can expect big things. Jeez, that looks alright. I was just telling them, hey, you're an absolute feeder, and I really appreciate it. And I eat a lot of food here. That's how I got the time lapse for the start of this video. And now I'm going to show you a time lapse of some sheep walking around. That was supposed to be a time lapse of the sheep moving, and I don't think they moved a fucking muscle. Lazy bastards.
Can't wait until I'm back at work and I'm like, listen.
It's been a while, it's been rusty.
Yeah, listen, I haven't done any of that in 6 months, so you'll have to forgive me for this 20-leaf tulip.
It's a really dangerous road to be crossing. How are you? You take the key. And that's the people that we're going for dinner with tonight as well, in Chakra. Claire, that was absolutely delish. Jesus, Rob, you're some man.
Thanks, man.
See my new style of creating like a great.
Sorry, I was just trying to get the hummus off this.
Going for a swim in the morning?
Yes.
What time though?
No, I'm not actually, sorry.
What?
Why?
I'm going up the Wicklow Mountains in a Tesla. Stay tuned. See you later.
Thanks, Jack. See you later.
Thanks very much again.
No worries.
No problem.
It's one of my favourite scenes, isn't it? When I'm bringing it from one place to the next. Camera. Oh my god, what is going on with my fringe? Anyway, it's one of my favourite scenes is when I'm going from one place to the next. You get a shot of the shoes, don't you? Every time. My 50 different pairs of Air Max. Anyway, next stop, Alyssa's mum's house, Jer, to make her IKEA bed. There's a lot going on in this story. Let me make this a little bit clearer for you. I ran across the road to give Jer the keys to the post box for her apartment. And I kept the keys to the door because I'm going over to that house now to make an IKEA bed. Because she hasn't got time to do it. But she's not going to be there, so she had to come and get the keys for the post box. But an alarm just went off on my phone, and it was to remind me to get a birthday card for Jared's husband. That's the reason for the dinner tonight. So I've pulled into a shop to go get a birthday card. I find birthday cards so difficult to get because I never know which one is suitable and which one's going to offend someone. Push. Always go for the dogs. Now, it's going to be a part of it now as well. I always go for the dog carts. You have to come up with the content.
Oh, like I'm not on the fucking.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No, I never do that. Like I always follow a few of them. Like they're good shit in there, especially the reviews and all that things.
What a nice man. Have you got any drone stuff? So I showed him the drone stuff, and he was like, "Jesus, that's amazing." Well, he didn't say Jesus, but so nice to get like interest from people. Very quickly, just need to put air in the old tires of the bus. Yeah. I just took all the caps off and realised that I have to pay for this air. You didn't up until last week, and I don't have any money with me. I am devastated. If you watched the video from 2 days ago, you'll see I rock up to a petrol station to get diesel, and I forgot my wallet. Then I had to go to a diesel station down the road to get fuel when I got my wallet. Now I'm rocking up to get air in my tyres and I forget to change. I'm just not having the luck with petrol stations at the moment. How do I keep forgetting everything? Although, who has change anymore? And why should you pay for air? I said I wouldn't, but I saw Shane in the window, so I'm gonna go get a coffee. Thanks, Bill, guys. Of Emily's birthday. How was shift?
Who cares about it?
Shift, come on. What do you mean, who cares about Emily's birthday?
No,
I'll box the head off you.
You know what? I thought it was
Yeah.
Emily.
Oh, flat white, please.
So that's where you were all yesterday. No staff here.
I'll see you later. I was sent the code for the gate, but it didn't work. And just my luck, a man rocked up behind me who was coming in here also and used his little buzzer thing. So I'm in, and the IKEA bed will be built. Just got here, what a view. But there's a boat over there that I'm going to send the drone over to have a look at. I wonder, is that legal? And will the drone make it over there? Okay, I didn't quite make it to the boat, but my god, that scared the crap out of me. It was pretty cool footage, but I didn't anticipate how difficult it would be to land on a balcony this size. But it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. That's why I have this stuff. You have to use it. Anyway, I'm just going to save that so I can show the guys later, because I won't go into post-production for another while. But for now, it's time to make the IKEA bed. This is the bed. Wish me luck. I'll see you when it's ready. Didn't get it done. Continue tomorrow. We just have to make it fun. In fact, I think I'll put my channel in the niche of putting together stuff from IKEA. I absolutely love it all of a sudden. Hey guys, it's going great. Am I going completely insane for putting so much IKEA stuff together? I don't know, maybe. Time got away from me and now I'm running late for dinner. It's I just had to park the car quickly, but we're in a super fancy Indian place and the bed did not get finished, which is upsetting. But wait till you see the walk to this restaurant. You get to see yourself in the next video. No. lovely, lovely, lovely. Now see what mess the dogs have made. Shh, 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 shh. Where are you going? Get in there. Good night. Thanks for watching.